Hey guys, this is Priscilla with Scylla Travel, the experiential and immersive travel company located in the Charleston, South Carolina area, and I help you live the dream through travel. So, like I mentioned, this is my lovely assistant, Kaitlin, my daughter.
Hi.
And I got her a gift. It came after Christmas, of course, and it is a 23andMe DNA test kit. So she's gonna unbox it so you guys can see what it looks like. And yeah, go ahead. Here you go. Here's a letter opener, and here's some scissors. So they can't see you opening it.
Oh.
Yep. She's short, guys, so let me help you there. I know I didn't do very well with the ribbon, putting the ribbon on there. I sort of had to tape it. I didn't have any bows left. So that's the kit. She's unboxing it so you guys can see what's in it. So I did 23andMe about a year and a half to 2 years ago. We both did Ancestry DNA before that. But 23andMe DNA kit is the one that gave me the results where I found a real relative in Nigeria. So she wanted to do it, so I got hers. Kaitlin, my lovely assistant, a DNA kit. So looks like she's having trouble opening it. You can step a little closer, Kaitlin. So.
Oh, I got it. Okay.
Viewers, the people can see it, and inside there's it's a 30% off coupon to share your self-discovery. So yeah, you can get this kit, and it says hooray DNA. You can share this with your family members so they can get a kit too. Okay, all right, so what's in there, Kaitlin?
Looks like oh,
it's the test kit's inside.
it's a test kit.
Okay, show the viewers what the test kit looked like. So you see the box here, big old box.
A little small. Oh, but the lighting is.
Yeah, the lighting's weird, but turn it around so they can see what's in it. Yeah, there you go. That's what the test kit looks like. Cool. Okay. Okay, and inside there's
instructions. Oh no, this is the bag that you put it in.
Okay.
The little tube. And this is the tube, I suppose.
Yeah, that you gotta spit in.
And then this is the little top.
Okay, and I guess this is the booklet that they send you with the instructions on what to do. And did they send an envelope, a return envelope? Because these things are expensive. They should have sent a return envelope. I don't see it, but it's probably inside the instruction kit. So, maybe it's in that.
What's the booklet? What it is?
Okay.
I didn't know it was an app.
Yeah, there's an app on your phone, so to track your results as well. I guess you send this box back.
I guess.
We'll see. That's what it came in. Oh, okay. This is the box. You return it. It says return service on the back. Return service. Yep, that's what it says. Return service. So you put it back in this box. So, like I said, that was the unboxing, and I'll talk to you guys later. Just wanted you guys to see what's inside the test kit, so she's gonna go do the spitting in the tube part. It's gonna take her a while, because it took me a while too, because it was totally gross, but at least when you send it to the lab, we know that she'll be related to me, number one, but we'll also see who else she's related to. It's so exciting. So an affordable option is 23andMe. DNA test kit. They do a pretty good job, I can say, because they traced my DNA to an actual relative in Nigeria, so I can't say anything bad about them. So just stay tuned for my DNA results that I get back. It'll be about March, February or March, from African ancestry DNA. And that test is a little bit more pricey, but I bit the bullet. And there's another test out there for African ancestry. I will get one, and maybe I'll have my lovely assistant take that one. It's an affordable option. So thanks for tuning in to Scylla Travel, and hoping that you have a great rest of your afternoon. My lovely assistant and I, my lovely assistant Kaitlin and I, we help you live the dream through travel.